Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix PDF not opening in WhatsApp or how to fix WhatsApp PDF not opening problem. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. So first of all, open WhatsApp, then tap on the PDF document that you want to open. Here you will see the list of applications through which you can open the PDF files. There is Drive PDF Viewer, Internet PDF Viewer and Adobe Acrobat. So you will have different types of program to open the PDF files. But if you don't have any app for opening the PDF files from the WhatsApp, then open Play Store, search for Adobe Acrobat and search for it, and then you can install this Adobe Acrobat Reader or PDF Reader. You can also search for Microsoft Word Edit Documents and install it, and then you can open the PDF documents from the WhatsApp and select any of the option from this. You can select Adobe Acrobat and then your PDF file will open. Now if still your problem is not fixed, then you can also check for WhatsApp update. So open Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see any update option available for this WhatsApp Messenger app, then kindly update it, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you can also check the WhatsApp server status. If you find that WhatsApp server is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. In such case, you can wait for WhatsApp server to get back online and then you can check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.